Imagine a world where your home doesn't just listen to you, but actually anticipates your every move before you even utter a single syllable. For years, we've held onto our original HomePod Minis, loving the sound but craving something more, something smarter, faster, and more integrated into the Apple ecosystem of 2026. The wait is finally over. The HomePod Mini 2 isn't just a minor refresh. It is the most significant leap in smart home technology we have seen in a decade. We're talking about a complete internal overhaul that turns this tiny sphere into the brain of your entire existence. If you thought the original was impressive, you aren't ready for what Apple has packed into the second generation. This is the device that changes the Siri is dumb narrative forever. Let's talk about the design first, because while it looks familiar, the subtle changes are what make it a masterpiece of industrial engineering. Apple has refined the mesh fabric to be more acoustically transparent than ever before, but the real magic is happening on the top glass. Gone is the static, glowing light. In its place, rumors and leaks suggest a high-resolution, touch-sensitive OLED surface that can actually display icons, timers, and even album art. Imagine glancing across the room and seeing the weather icon or the song title floating right on top of your HomePod. This isn't just a speaker. It's a window into your digital life. The weight feels more substantial. The bass is more grippy. And for the first time, we're seeing colors that actually match the 2026 iPhone lineup. Deep midnight, botanical green, and a stunning sunset orange that pops in any room. But you aren't here for the fabric. You're here for the power. Inside this beast lies the S10 silicon chip, a powerhouse derived from the latest Apple Watch Ultra technology. This chip allows for on-device processing of almost every Siri command. No more on it. Still working, something went wrong. The HomePod Mini 2 responds instantly because it doesn't need to talk to the cloud for basic tasks. When you tell it to turn off the lights, it happens before you finish the sentence. This speed is addictive. Once you experience zero-latency, smart home control, you can never go back to anything else. And with the inclusion of the second-generation ultra-wideband chip, handoff is now a seamless transition. You don't even have to tap your phone anymore. Just walk near the speaker, and your music follows you like a loyal shadow. The audio quality is where Apple truly defied the laws of physics. They've redesigned the full-range driver and the dual passive radiators to deliver 30% more bass response without any distortion. We're talking about room-filling sound that makes you look around for a hidden subwoofer. In a stereo pair configuration, the HomePod Mini 2 creates a soundstage that rivals high-end bookshelf speakers, costing 3 times as much. Apple's computational audio has been upgraded to Spatial Awareness 2.0, which uses the microphones to map your room in real time every 5 seconds. If you move the speaker from a corner to a shelf, it instantly adjusts its EQ to ensure the mids are crisp and the lows are punchy. This is the smartest speaker ever built, period. Now, let's dive into the feature that everyone is talking about, Apple Intelligence. In 2026, Siri has evolved from a basic assistant into a proactive companion. The HomePod Mini 2 uses personal context to understand your routine. If it's 7 a.m. and your calendar says you have a gym session, the HomePod will have your workout playlist ready and the thermostat set to a cooler temperature before you even wake up. It learns your voice patterns, your preferences, and even the nuances of your mood based on the music you request. This is the level of integration that Google and Amazon simply cannot match because they don't have the hardware-software synergy that Apple has perfected over the last decade. Safety and privacy remain the backbone of this device. With the new Secure Room feature, the HomePod Mini 2 can detect the sound of breaking glass, a smoke alarm, or even a baby crying with pinpoint accuracy, sending an encrypted notification to your iPhone immediately. All this processing happens on the S10 chip, meaning your private home sounds never leave your house. Apple is doubling down on the what happens at home, stays at home philosophy, making this the only smart speaker that privacy-conscious users in the USAA are willing to put in their bedrooms. As we look at the competitive landscape, the HomePod Mini 2 stands alone. It bridges the gap between a casual smart speaker and a high-fidelity audio system. It acts as a thread border router and a Matter controller, ensuring that every smart device in your home works together in perfect harmony. Whether you're a hardcore Apple fan or someone just looking to start their smart home journey, this is the definitive choice. The 2026 HomePod Mini 2 isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. It tells the world that the future of the smart home isn't just about voice commands. It's about an invisible, intelligent presence that makes your life easier, safer, and much more fun.